Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? For the last couple of weeks, my '05 TJ has been acting up a little bit when I've been parked at either traffic lights or stop sign or give way. Now it's been idling really high. It's been about 2000 RPM, which normally idles about 800 to 1000. So I tried to do a little bit of research online to see if I could come up with any options of what it could be. And a lot of people had different opinions. People were saying that it could be a blown head, could be valves, could be any number of things. So I was really hoping it was going to be a blown head. Thankfully it wasn't. So I was just having a look around my engine bay, trying to figure out if any sensors on the intake were loose, anything like that, anything that it could be. So yesterday afternoon I came up, I was checking all the vacuum lines and everything like that. And this one here attached to the intake manifold, next to it on the exhaust side, was, I put my finger on it and it came off. So I don't know if this has been replaced in the past and someone's replaced it with the wrong size or something like that. But I could just touch it and it would slip off. Now yesterday afternoon I put a cable tie at the front there and one at the back. So I was really hoping last night they would fix the problem, and I drove to work this morning, so it's about a half an hour round trip, and it was absolutely perfect. Idled just like it should, drove awesome, so I'm really pleased that it was something so simple and such easy to fix. So in the future I might replace this one with a slightly smaller one, just so I don't have any more issues in the past, and I'll get rid of those stupid looking cable ties. So if you guys are having the same sort of issues, check that out first, and hopefully that solves your problem just like it solved mine. Alright, cheers guys.